Hi there. So we're going to be covering another GCSE topic you'll find quite common, is multiplying or adding or dividing by fractions of different denominators where there are algebraic terms within them. So it's not purely numbers. This is an example here from AQA's Higher paper, November 2018, paper 1, question 22. A little comma there. And it says solve x over x plus 4 plus 7 over x minus 2 equals 1. So we're here solving for x. We want to find what x is. You must show you're working, obviously, and this is worth 4 marks. So the initial issue here is that we have two denominators of different values, because it's very unlikely here x plus 4 is going to equal x minus 2. That's just not really a correct term there. So what we're going to do to solve this is we're going to multiply each of the other terms. So there's 3 terms here. We've got this x over x plus 4, this 7 over x minus 2, and this 1. We're going to multiply each one of these by both of these bottom terms. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if we have x over x plus 4 plus 7 over x minus 2 equals 1, we're going to multiply each of these terms, this one here, and this one here, by first the x plus 4, and then the x minus 2. So this is going to, first we'll start with, that's the order we'll do it, we'll do x plus 4 first. So x over x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4 is just going to equal x plus 7 over x plus 4, 7 multiplied by x plus 4, over x minus 2 equals 1 x plus 4. Now we'll do our second multiplication. We'll say x minus 2 plus 7 x plus 4 x minus 2 over x minus 2 equals 1 x plus 4 x minus 2. So let's remove all the denominators here because they've all been cancelled out now. So we have x minus 2 plus 7 x plus 4 equals, the 1 here, it doesn't matter. This is algebraically the same as x plus 4, x minus 2. So let's expand this now. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is minus 2x. 7 times x is plus 7x. 7 times 4 is 28. Equals. Now this, you've got to remember your FOIL, as I learnt it. For forward or first, outside, inside, last. So first, x squared, outside, x times minus 2, minus 2x, inside, plus 4x, x multiplied by 4, outside, 4 times minus 2, remember the minus there, it's not just the 2, it's the minus, which comes to minus 8. So let's do some cancelling out. What do we have here? We have a minus 2x and a plus 7x. First of all, we have a minus 2x on both sides. Let's get rid of those, shall we? We have an x squared on both sides. We can get rid of that. So now what do we have? We have 7x plus 28 equals 4x minus 8. So let's gather all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other, or the integers, whatever you'd like to call them here. So we have 7x over here. Let's subtract 4x from it. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we're bringing this over to this side, subtracting 3 because we're minusing that 4x from both sides. You can't just minus something on one side and not do it to the other side. You've got to do each mathematical operation, in this case, subtracting 4x from both sides. So 4x on this side minus 4x disappears. On this side, it becomes 3x. Now we're going to subtract 28 from both sides It's not really going to matter on this side, it's just going to remove that 28. But on this side, subtracting 8 and minus 28, minus 8 minus 28, what does that equal? That equals minus 36. So we're going to have equals minus 36. Now we've got some division we can do because 36 is 12 threes. So let's divide by 3. X equals minus 36 over 3. Let's get rid of that 3 on this side. Divide both sides. As we said, you can't do a mathematical operation just to one side of this without doing the same operation to the other. So divide this side by 3, comes to x. Divide this side by 3, equals minus 12. X equals minus 12. That's your answer. So the notable parts here are, in order to open up and solve correctly these algebraic fractions with different denominators, you multiply every term in your equation, here there's 3, 1, 2, 3, by each of these denominators. You've seen we've done that all the way to here. Next, we had to use FOIL, as I learnt it. I'm sure there's plenty of ways other people have learnt it. First, outside, inside, last. It's the order in which, so we're going to go x times x squared, x times minus 2x, plus 4 times x, plus 4x, plus 4 times minus 2, minus 8. So it's expanding those brackets. You expand these brackets, but I reckon you can do that. Then it comes down here, and this is where we subtract and divide from both sides to work down to this x equals minus 12. That'll get you 4 marks, and I hope that helped with how you're covering this problem.